So everyone, how you doing? I just thought I'd come back and get back to cracking on that Pokemon Platinum Forever Save type deal, and let's see how far we can get. As you can see, my Chimchar Yamashi is one level away from evolving into a Monferno. That might be as high as I need to raise him for a while. And Flower the Bidoof has not leveled up. That's alright, because I don't really intend to use a big barrel all the way through the run of the game. And as you can see, I decided to add a Shinx named Blur. I don't know if he'll remain a permanent member. I have a shiny Mareep on Heart Gold I might decide to bring in. But let's see how far we can make it. And here we go on to Route 203. And ready for the... Oh, I must have already did the rivalry match. Okay, then. And let's get into a trainer battle. Yeah, you're more than likely to run into trainers while you're out trying to catch Pokemon. Okay. Okay, let's get Blur a little experience. And one down. And that's two. Switch out to Yamashi because she's sending out a Badoo. And burn, grass baby, burn. I kind of like Badoo. It was a nice, addition to the Roselia lineup. Get in Roserade. And Psychic Fox down. That's all four. I might pick up a psyduck going through Oreburgh Tunnel. I don't typically use Golduck in a lot of my playthroughs, but I might try it. No, I already have a Bidoof. Kind of wish that there wasn't a reflection of my face. Oh, it was Oreburgh Gate, not Tunnel. I don't play Gen 4 enough. We now have the ability to smash rocks. Well, we have the move. We won't get the ability until after beating Rourke. Okay, does Psyduck appear on the first floor or the bottom floor? I do not want to fight the campers. And a Geodudet. We're going to ignore that. I don't know. I do like the Golem line. No, because I think I already said I want to try and use Gliscor. I'm pretty sure you can catch Psyduck on the first level of it. And if not, it's not a real big deal. And another one. Zubat. No. This might take a while.